friends, welcome back to another Trendz. Today I am going to show you how to make Kalamkari bangles, and if suppose you are watching me for the first time, you can just click on that red color subscribe button and click on that bell icon for future notifications. Let's get into the video. Here I am with beautiful Kalamkari material with Buddha print on it. I am going to use this kind of plastic bangle or wooden bangle. I am going to use this Buddha face over the bangle. That's my idea. So trim your material accordingly. So cut your material at least twice the size of your bangle. That is the how broad is your bangle is like 2 cm. If suppose it's 2 cm, you should take like at least 4 cm to 5 cm. So as to stick inside, or else you can just measure it by keeping it this way. Okay, and also measure the circumference of this bangle, that is the length of the material that we have to cut down to stick on the bangle. Just by rolling it, you can just measure it. Fine, you can just trim here. I'll just trim it. Here is the material that I have trimmed to stick on the bangle. So no matter if the material is little lengthier. Okay, and apply fabric glue. The only advantage of Kalamkari materials, that is cotton Kalamkari, is that won't soak into the glue. If suppose you are using any raw silk material, that will really soak the glue really well. So that's the advantage using cotton material here. So stick your design over the bangle this way. Make sure that there is no wrinkles. You can just do it part by part because it will dry up so easily, because we are applying very thin coat of glue here. Okay, you can also use paintbrush to apply, or a paper or any waste scrap like this to apply. Make sure that your design is in position this way. If suppose you find your material is little lengthier and little bigger than your bangle, you can just trim it off. Make sure that there is no wrinkles. So the other side I'm going to fold a little and stick it. So this way, fold it and see whether your design is in position, and stick it this way over and under of your material. Apply glue and stick on this way. Now the first step of your bangle is done. The next step is to stick it in the inner side of your bangle, this one. So now I am going to apply glue in the inner part of the bangle. Here I am using a paintbrush backside to spread the glue. You can use any stick or any old plastic pens to spread your glue. And while sticking inside, make sure to push your material this way. If suppose you are doing it in this direction, if suppose you are doing it from the other side, you have to pull and stick. Pull and stick so that you can avoid wrinkles. This is the wooden bangle which is little embossed in the top part, so Getting wrinkles is very common if suppose you are using this kind of embossed wooden bangle, but this in the case of using plastic bangle you won't get any problem. I mean much problems in clearing your wrinkles. So similarly you can just apply glue in the other side of the bangle also and stick. முடிஞ்ச வரையும் சுருக்கம் இல்லாம பாத்துக்கோங்க. அதுதான் அந்த பேங்கிள்க்கு நல்ல சூப்பரா லுக் கொடுக்கும். சோ இந்த மாதிரி வந்துட்டு ஃபுல்லா க்ளூ அப்ளை பண்ணி அதை வந்து நல்லா ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணிட்டு நல்லா இழுத்து உங்களோட மெட்டீரியலை ஒட்டணும். இழுத்து ஒட்டுவீங்களா அமுத்தி ஒட்டுவீங்களோ somehow சுருக்கம் இல்லாம நீட்டா ஒட்டணும். மெஷர்மென்ட் வந்துட்டு உள்ள மாறிச்சு, ஒரு பக்கம் சின்னதா இருக்கு ஒரு பக்கம் பெருசா இருக்குன்னா ஃபீல் பண்ணாதீங்க. உங்களுக்கு டிசைன் மேல வந்து கரெக்ட்டா வருதா அதுதான் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். இந்த மாதிரி அமுத்தி ஒட்டலாம், லைக் புஷிங் இன்சைட். if suppose இந்த மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா you can just take it off and again press. Since it's a cotton material, the thread won't come out. That's the advantage here. But if suppose you are using any synthetic kind of material, synthetic material will lose its position and the threads will come off very easily. So here it's done. Just clear if there is any folds. That's it. Our beautiful Kalamkari bangle is ready, and let it dry and start using it. Here I have another one bangle which I have made using plastic bangle. I mean the plastic base. I'll show you. In that there is no much folds or wrinkles. See, there is no much folds. The design is also very clear. You can just go with plastic bangle if suppose you are a beginner and wanted very neat finishing look. Okay, and உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணி ஷேர் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.